well, just because there's so many students going in and out that it's just super useful for everyone.
Why do students come by car? Because there are cars, but if you take them away, people will have to take the S-Bahn, U-Bahn, or
to put some trees and to take all these cars that are parking all over Munich away and make a more friendly place here for the people. So we put some trees taking all the parking spots.
Every sunrise is just for you.